Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can stake cryptocurrency on Robinhood. So, let's get started. Robinhood offers crypto staking for selected cryptocurrencies, specifically Ethereum ETH and Solana Sol through its Robinhood crypto platform. First, open the Robinhood crypto app and go to the crypto section. Then, under the holdings section, select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. After that, scroll down and you'll find a section or pop-up that gives you the option to stake your crypto. Simply click on Get Started. Next, you'll see details such as your staking balance, the amount you've already staked, and your staking history. Finally, to start staking, click on the Stake button, enter the amount you want to stake, and confirm by clicking Stake again. And that's it. Your selected cryptocurrency will now be successfully staked in your Robinhood account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.